Ever wished for a music room where sound stays in and the world stays out? Whether you're playing piano, producing tracks, or jamming with your band, AI has reimagined how music spaces are designed. In this video, we explore 15 innovative soundproof music room themes, all designed by AI, to help you build the perfect acoustic sanctuary in your own home. 1. Minimalist Recording Suite. AI favors sleek, Scandinavian aesthetics, clean white walls, floating shelves, and geometric acoustic foam. Soundproofing is built into the walls using multi-layered gypsum board and insulation, creating a calm space for solo artists or small-scale recording sessions. 2. Underground Bass Bunker. Designed for heavy bass and subwoofer power, this AI concept uses concrete walls, rubber underlayment, and triple-layered doors. The room is tuned to control low-frequency resonance, ideal for EDM, trap, or bass guitarists. 3. Closet Conversion Studio. Small but mighty, AI transforms spare closets into professional vocal booths. It recommends using mass-loaded vinyl, dense foam, and a portable recording setup with lighting and ventilation built in for a cozy, effective workspace. 4. Attic Beat Lab. Sloped attic ceilings? AI embraces them. It proposes placing gear at sound reflection dead zones and using angled diffusers on walls and ceilings to break up echoes, making it perfect for hip-hop producers or loop creators. 5. Garage to Jam Room. Makeover AI optimizes large garages with decoupled wall frames, resilient channels, and thick carpets over insulated concrete floors. Ideal for bands or loud jam sessions, it includes sealed entry points to keep sound in and pests out. IDEX, Nature Vibes Acoustic Room. Love plants and guitars. AI builds an eco-acoustic paradise with bamboo panels, vertical greenery, and cork flooring. This theme balances aesthetics with natural sound absorption for eco-conscious creators. 7. Home Theater Music Studio Hybrid. Why choose between watching films and recording tracks? This theme has AI-programmed movable acoustic panels and retractable foam diffusers, letting the room shift between entertainment and production modes seamlessly. 8. Professional Podcast Nook for podcasters. AI crafts a near-field vocal space with dense wall padding, sound blankets, and an anti-vibration desk. Equipment placement is mapped for ideal mic position and minimal external noise. 9. Luxury Composer's Retreat. Think velvet drapes, walnut wood panels, and AI-adjusted ceiling baffles. This theme is designed for composers or musicians who want elegance, comfort, and studio-quality acoustics in one lush environment. 10. DJ Loft Studio. In high-rise lofts, vibrations can travel. AI installs floating floors, sound-absorbing blinds, and rear-wall diffusers to handle rhythm-heavy sessions. Great for turntablists or beat creators in urban apartments. 11. Bohemian Acoustic Den AI mixes thrifted textures with serious acoustics. Thick woven rugs, patterned foam disguised as art, and hanging drapes to create a creative yet sound-balanced space for indie or folk musicians. 12. Smart Child Music Room. AI creates a soft, playful room using soundproofed panels covered with fabric, foam-safe corners, and child-friendly instruments. A mini-stage and sound-dampening playmats help foster musical creativity without household disturbance. 13. Floating Drum Booth. This high-performance theme features an isolated inner structure, floating, within another, with multiple drywall layers, heavy-duty doors, and ceiling clouds. Designed for drummers who need maximum containment and clarity. 14. Digital Nomad Studio. Portable and modular, this AI concept includes collapsible acoustic walls, fold-away equipment racks, and low-footprint sound isolation, perfect for traveling musicians or renters who need flexibility. 15. high-rise apartment jam room. AI reinforces floors with dense matting, uses dual-glazed windows, and seals gaps with acoustic caulking to contain noise. Great for musicians who live above neighbors but don't want to hold back their creativity. Whether you're building from scratch or converting a spare room, AI can guide you to the perfect soundproof space, tailored to your music, lifestyle, and budget. Which of these 15 designs speaks to your inner musician? Let us know in the comments and hit subscribe for more AI-powered architectural design content.